Now let's take a look at number 2. Again, we have 5 sharps, so 5 black keys exist here. And again, if we have 5 black keys, that means that in the scale we're going to have 2 white keys. Because we have 5 sharps, our final sharp is A sharp, therefore we are in the key of B major. And we just need to determine where the white keys are. So in the key of B major, B and E are naturals. So I'm going to highlight these notes as naturals. So we have B, E, B. There's a B right there, but that's a chord. So I'll just write the natural here so that it's still visible. And also there. And for the left hand, we'll do the same thing. B natural and E natural. And I'll highlight the others. B, B, and B. The rest of the notes are sharps. So starting off in the beginning here, let's figure out the finger numbers. If we start with 5th finger as indicated, we'll end up with 4, 3, 2, and 1, which is good because 1 is on the white key, so that works. So we'll start with 5th finger, 3 black keys, thumb on B, E. Then notice we have 2 black keys next, so we'll do 3, 2, so that our thumb lands on B, the white key. And then we have another 2 black keys, so we'll cross over the 3, 2 again. So the entire passage is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, thumb on E, 2 black keys, 3, 2, thumb on B, 2 black keys, like that. If we do it in time, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So try that a few times, get to where you can play that relatively smoothly. That's the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And notice if I'm counting the rhythm, the stresses fall on beat 1 and 4, like so. Remember, 6/8 is really compound duple meter, so we still want to feel 2 pulses per bar. Now let's take a look at the left hand for the final 2 bars, where it also has a scale passage. So we're going to put our thumb on the B's here, and then we'll work backwards. If the thumb is on B, then the 3 black keys will be 2, 3, 4. And we'll just cross over to 2 for this black key here, and 2, 3, 2. So starting from the 3 black keys on F sharp with 4th finger, 3 black keys, 4, 3, 2, thumb on B, cross over with 2nd finger to C sharp, and back down to B, 2, 3, 2, 1. In time it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty simple. So we can put that together without the chords, starting from the beginning. The right hand starts 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last but not least, we add the chords. Anytime we're doing chords, it's nice to go ahead and do a bit of harmonic analysis. We're in the key of B major, which means this first chord is a 1 chord, and we can see it's in first inversion, so it's a 1/6 chord. Then it goes to a D sharp minor chord, which in the key of B major is a minor 3 chord. Next, we have a G sharp minor chord, which in the key of B major is the minor 6 chord, but it's in the 6/4 inversion. Then it goes to an E major chord, which in the key of B major is the major 4 chord in root position. Continuing, let's analyze the right hand here. Okay, so we keep going. The right hand is an F sharp major chord, triad. That is a 5 chord in the key of B major. Then it goes to a B major chord in second inversion. Then it goes to the 5-7 chord in root position. And then it ends on the 1 chord again in the 6-4 inversion. I also like to write down the lead sheet symbols. So the 1 chord here is going to be B over D sharp. The 3 chord is going to be D sharp minor. The G sharp minor chord is going to be G sharp minor over D sharp, the bass note. Then we have E major. Then we have F sharp major. Then we have B over F sharp. And then we have F sharp 7 followed by B over F sharp. And lastly, let's figure out the finger numbers for the triads and chords. So in the left hand, I guess I'll do these in, let's do blue. Just 5-3-1. 5-3-1. 5-2-1 because of the third on the top, and then 5-3-1. So let's play that left hand together. We have D sharp, F sharp, B. Then the thumb goes down to A sharp for the minor 3 chord. Then we have D sharp, G sharp, E for the minor 6-6-4. And then we have E, G sharp, B for the 4 chord. So you just want to get comfortable until you can play it in time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, once you're comfortable with that, you can do the right hand here. Finger numbers, it's going to be 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 5. So we have an F sharp major chord, all sharps. Then the B major chord, top 2 notes go up. Then the 5-7, F sharp, A sharp, E. And then back to F sharp, B, D sharp. And again, just get this to where you can play it in time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you can do that, then you can gradually put this hands together. I'd recommend doing the first 2 bars and then the second 2 bars, mastering each pair. But eventually it'll sound like this. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, you can play this as slow as you need to. The most important thing is to play it slowly enough that you can be accurate. So don't worry about playing it fast. It can be very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That tempo is perfectly fine. Give yourself time to think where you don't have to pause or hesitate between chords. I'll see you in the next video.